Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to screen record on the OPPO A6 Pro 5G. So if you want to record some actions that you're taking on your screen and you want to capture that, there is an easy way to do that, and it's already built into the phone. And to start screen recording, the first thing that we're going to do is open up the control panel. And in the control panel, we're going to find the screen recording button. It looks like this with a camera, a dot, and it says screen recording on the bottom. But if you cannot find it, if it's not here, then it might be just not added to this main menu. So what we're going to do is edit this control panel right here by tapping on the pen icon on the bottom left. And then we're going to find the screen recording button on the bottom, like this little bar. These are the unadded actions, and if it's here, then all you need to do is simply tap it, and it's going to be added to this controls panel right here. And once it's there, we're gonna press done, and you should see your screen recording somewhere in here, wherever you've added it to. So there we have it. And now that we've actually added the screen recording button, you can tap on it to automatically start recording. It's going to ask you for some permissions, so I'm going to do system sound and microphone sound. You can disable microphone in the future and system. So I'm going to start recording, and here we have this little floating bar that shows us whether we're recording or not. And now all you need to do is just do the actions that you needed to show on the screen recording. And once you're done, you just tap on the little bar and press on either pause to pause the recording and continue later, or just press the square button to fully stop the recording and save it. So we're going to stop it and save it. As you can see, it saved it on the bottom left, and we can immediately check it out by opening it with photos. And this is the screen recording, as you can see. So I've done some actions, and it all pretty much works. And you can access all of the future screen recordings in the recent tab of the photos. So let's go to the Photos app. There we go. And this is where we find the screen recording. So you can see it's in Photos today, and this is the same screen recording. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.